This is when it's awesome to have fun, friends. So I'm gonna tag Armando. What's going on, bro? You ready, dude? You ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Try one more time? Yeah. Alright. He's crazy, dude. Yo, you Ignore gang, what's going on? So we have another new video, which today I'm gonna go ahead and explain what I was gonna do with the 370Z. I just want to let you guys know that this footage is actually from, I think, about 2 to 3 months ago. This is how long I've been holding on to this secret, but whatever. My name is Ray. I've been doing a VR30 swap on my 370Z for like the past, 2 months, talking about it for about 8 months, and finally committed. In the midst of doing that, a lot of you guys have been showing me the VR30 swaps that you guys started. Honestly, I've never really cared about being the first one. I don't care about being the first one to finish, none of that stuff. I'm just super glad to see that people are also taking on this project, because this was something that I felt that was going to be a lot more difficult than what it really is. But once we started, we kind of just saw like, dude, this swap is incredibly easy. There's just a couple of things that you need that aren't that expensive in perspective compared to just buying regular mods. But my name is Noir. This is my 370Z. As you guys can see, my car is still very much in heavy project car mode, so it's not really the most beautiful thing right now, and that will soon change. That's all part of the plan. Months ago, I reached out to someone to help me out with some fabrication, because I had very different plans than what everybody was expecting me to do with this car. Everybody immediately thought I was trying to be like the fastest VR30, which I do plan to build that motor, but not right now. Right now, my plan is to get that car running, full bolts on, hope maybe E85, we'll see. Right now, I want to focus on getting that thing started and tuned, and then the next big move will be actually getting started with the exterior mods, because these exterior mods are all going to be functional. This car, the initial plan was to go full race car mode. If you don't know what that means, this does mean that the rear bumper was cut for a reason. Maybe cut a little bit too high, but whatever, I'm gonna work with what I have. The front bumper, that's already situated. It's just when the time comes, I'll go ahead and put that back on, because right now, I don't even have a core support, headlights, nothing. Like, I can't even hold that bumper. It would make no point to worry about that right now. 3, the supporting stuff that needs to get attached to the body, because like I said, this car, no one guessed what I was going to do with this car. I wanted to release this video later because of the circumstances. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks straight. Welcome to Florida. So Miami, we're in hurricane mode again, so I haven't really been able to install a couple of mods, and I'm waiting on the harness anyway. So I wanted to make this video because I've been sitting on this footage for so long. I guess it's time to just explain what the actual true plans for the VR30 are. Well, what it is. What, man, today's the day where things kind of get a little bit more real, but I'm running super behind, typical me. We are going to end up at the fab shop to kind of talk about the diffuser and how it's going to look, how much it's going to cost, all that stuff. It would be sick if I can get it on today. I have a feeling I won't. We got to rush, get some gas, and head out, because this is about an hour away from me. Why am I locking myself out? Alright, so we're at the gas station. Kind of looking like a Danny Z video, but I'm running late because I did not expect so much traffic, but I should have, since it's Miami. But we're gonna finish this up, head out, and finally we start seeing how this custom diffuser is gonna look, and also kind of show you guys the work that he does also. Let's hurry up with this and head out. And it's 55 degrees. I don't want to be outside the car anymore. I'm freezing my balls off here, but thankfully I just had a really sick talk. We're actually gonna save it for another video to kind of show everything that's going on, but I'll tell you like the things that we already spoke about. But I'm gonna show you through his car, which he has a Prelude K24 swap, which is pretty tight. I came here for the rear diffuser, you guys already know that, but then also other things started coming into play. Like let me show you on my car actually, because I feel like it'd make a lot more sense to just be visual. On my car, we can't really do anything, because just like I had a feeling, the exhaust, the muffler, it's just way too much in the way. So we're gonna end up getting rid. He can work with the OEM one, the crash bar, but it just kind of makes no sense. So we're gonna do a rear bash bar and just have it tucked under the bumper, which I'm actually super excited about that, just to keep the look clean. But more importantly, like I said, with this exhaust, we're gonna have to get rid of it, since we're already doing the VR30 swap, honestly, it doesn't make sense right now to do the diffuser, because one, I can't. Two, there's gonna have to be a lot of custom exhaust fluid that comes from the VR30. So I'm gonna do all the way from the downpipes, single exit, straight pipe. There'll probably be like maybe one resonator, maybe two. Just depends on, I don't know, like obviously I want to make this more of like a track car. You get me? Like do time attack. So I know they're gonna have just to kind of give an idea of what we're looking for. He has some cars that are going full race car. So the idea is to kind of have like, I'm not doing this one, I don't want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, but the idea is to have a diffuser that's welded onto the subframe and just have it like look good but be functional. That's the goal. I want to have my car, like I said, you guys already know I'm trying to make it out to SEMA, hopefully this year, but if not, for sure I can definitely shoot for next year. I want to have this car be functional but look really, really sick. That's the goal. To me, it doesn't make sense to build a car just for the sakes of it, just to make it look, I don't know, just to make it look cute, but it doesn't do anything. So I wanted to show you guys like who I'm dealing with, because he sent me this on Instagram, and I already like, dude, look at this weld. Like this is tight, bro. It's really, really good welds. But he had a sample for me just to show that it's not like some boofy Hialeah work. You get me? Like this guy actually knows what he's doing. I just want to make sure that I was in good hands, and thankfully the reference that I was given, I'm actually really, really excited, because where do you want me to put you want me to just leave it here for now? Okay. I wanted to make sure we're in good hands, because obviously me dealing, I don't know anything about this stuff at all. So I just wanted to make sure that I was going to be okay, and since it's actually getting welded onto the car, I wanted to make sure that we're good to go, no issues. After staring at his car, dude, I saw this side skirt and immediately I was like, bro, we got to do this. He's going to change it up. He has a new machine coming in that's going to help him out. But we're going to do this. We're going to do the side skirt, just have a functional side skirt. I'll have this powder coated. I'm going to stick with him with powder coating everything that's coming in, the new wheels. I want to do the calipers, all that stuff, just have it all in house. So you guys will most likely see me here a lot. We're not doing the diffuser actually today. I just wanted to come and talk pricing, how it's gonna look, everything, just get that all out the way, so that way when the VR30 is in, we're good to go. It's just a smooth process. So I'll catch back up with you guys in a bit. The sun a little bit, bro. It's like in that like dark corner right over there, it feels like death, dude. Like I feel like Elsa like sneezed or farted in this area and you just freeze to death. But all right, Norgang, so I'm gonna head back out, but I'm at JF Customs, like I said. But yeah, all of the work, man, it's gonna be through them. So soon, finally, Monaco's just gonna start looking less ghetto, but more importantly, I guess and I know you guys have been asking about the VR30 swap. The only thing that's been holding me back is I have everything needed except one, a daily driver, two, the space. Chris, Z34 Chris is doing his turbo kit right now, so that means I'm next in line. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, but just be a little bit more patient, because believe me, I want to start the VR30 as soon as possible, but yeah, I'm happy for that. So keep up with Chris on his build, but soon we'll have a nice little diffuser, get rid of that exhaust, the side skirts, get the new wheels. Like I said, I don't want to tell you guys what I'm getting yet, because I haven't ordered them yet. I'm trying to make sure that all the money I have right now is going specifically for the VR30, but once the wiring harness and VR30 is done, then I'm going to start dropping the money for all this. I have the cash, but so you got to be financially smart. I don't want to spend this cash and all of a sudden something comes up for the VR30 and I can't afford it. So one thing I will tell you guys is that I am doing Nismo front bumper. You guys already know the deal. I'm obsessed with Nismo bumpers. So we're doing the front bumper. I'm doing the V2. There's gonna be a lot of carbon fiber on this car, like I called out, but more importantly, he's gonna also he's gonna fab up a front splitter that's also gonna get welded to the chassis. This car is 100% time attack inspired and will be on track, because drag racing is cool. Oh, and also I gotta tell you guys, I got the big wing, bro. Whatever. That again, in time. Right now, we're gonna do this order: VR30, diffuser, splitter, and bumper, wheels, and then all the stuff that's gonna have to get powder coated. Start heading back, dude. But I'm glad I came through. Like I said, if you guys need anything needed, just shoot him a DM. He can fabricate almost anything. So shoot him a DM. I'll leave the information. I'll sprinkle it somewhere around here, but it doesn't hurt to ask. You went like full Chonga mode. Hi, babe. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys are hyped. We're finally we're building this car for road course, time attack, and all that stuff. Like everybody thought I was gonna do like a drag build and everything. Been there, done that. From my experience of actually honestly, doing road course, it's super fun. It's really different. Watching Dustin Williams videos got me really hyped to just finally get started and also reveal what we've been planning to do. Also, I'll leave the Fab Guys Instagram down here in the bottom. Finally gonna go road course. I'm gonna scare the living balls off you. Like, you have no idea. When this car's starting, I want your pants to be brown. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are hyped. Also, we're really close to 4,000 subscribers if we haven't hit it already. Yeah, right? Oh, what's up? Boo, oh. Thank you guys, and that also means that we're moving close to the motor giveaway, which was 5K. I don't know. I'm just hyped.
Yeah, like and subscribe and Kuya!